channel, it's Ev, and today I'm going to be going over my favorite curl defining creams, and I am gonna add in a couple leave-in conditioners, but I didn't find too many other or new leave-in conditioners this year. That just didn't happen. I've been using the same old, so I'll mention them, but this is mostly gonna be about curl defining creams. So let me just jump right into it. The leave-in conditioners that I'm going to mention are these two. Obviously, Adjua leave-in styler. This is super dope, bomb.com. You don't have to use any other product with this. It can stand alone, but I always use something else with this. Highly recommend. You guys know this was in my favorites leave-ins last year. The Camille Rose Coconut Water leave-in I got at the World Natural Hair Show last year, I wanna say. And this I feel like pairs very well with other products. This one, not so much. This one, definitely. So I would highly recommend this, but both of these extremely moisturizing. I also feel like this one can stand alone as well, but these are my two favorite leave-ins. Once again, the leave-ins that I mentioned last year are also the same this year if I still have them or if I use them completely up. I just don't feel like mentioning or doing an entire video about them because ain't nothing changed. I haven't found any new leave-ins that I'm just like so hype about. You know what I mean? So we're making this mostly about the curl defining creams, which is something that I'm super hype about. If you guys have been watching my channel for a minute, you know that I love some definition. Like love me some definition over everything, because you guys know I just feel like I naturally have a lot of volume, so I don't aim for volume because that would make my hair very, very big. And usually that leads to tangles for me, not for everybody, just for me and my head of hair. But the first curl defining cream that I absolutely love that I have tried is, well, it's a pudding technically, but it is the Emonose curl pudding. Highly recommend this stuff. This I did an entire separate review on. I was really excited for this to come out. This you can use alone, and I feel like a little goes a long way. This is very concentrated. I actually can't even show you guys this because it is so viscous, like it would fall over. I would definitely not try and just go watch the original review. I think it smells really good. It's available in Sally's, which I love. It's just accessible and highly recommend. This stuff is super dope and gave my hair a ton of definition. If you guys go watch that original video, I'll link it above, I'll link it below, check the D box. But if you guys check out that original video, my hair on the curl pudding side was popping, just crazy out of control. Now, the second curl defining cream that I want to mention is the Curl Antidote by Tailored Beauty. This stuff right here. I wanted to make sure it wasn't the deep conditioner because the packaging looks really similar, so you actually have to read the packaging. But this is the Curl Antidote. If you guys went to the World Natural Hair Show last year, you know I worked at the Tailored Beauty booth, and this curl defining cream, I just love it. It's so fresh. It smells so fresh. This cream to me is very lightweight. And usually, you guys know I like my twist outs to be like way down and stay down, because I feel like weighing my hair down will give me the most definition. But this gave me definition without weighing my hair down. It is very lightweight, and I paired it with the oil from this line as well, which I think is a great combo. But if I wanted a lighter weight twist out or a lighter weight wash and go, I would pair this with oil, and it gave me volume and definition, which to me is hard to achieve, because if I have volume, it's usually not defined, it's very frizzy. And if I have definition, I typically don't want the volume because I know my hair is gonna get big and big and big throughout the week, and it'll grow into being poofier. So that's a given. But this day one was just amazing. And then as the days went on, I still felt like I had definition, and like it just wasn't heavy. It's just not a heavy curl definer, but I do really, really like this. Highly recommend. The next curl cream I want to mention isn't exactly a curl definer, but it's an oldie but a goodie. I have just recently started using it, and I typically use this after my hair has been in a blowout for an extended period of time and after I straightened my hair. A lot of you guys wanted to know what it was in several of my videos. I was making my hair shiny or whatever that y'all saw through the screen, okay? It was the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. You guys know I do twist outs 95% of the time, and this has been a staple for me for years, but I also just recently put it back into my regimen because I just feel like it's so moisturizing, like super duper moisture and definition together, sis. Usually if my hair is very moisturized, it's not defined. And a lot of Camille Rose's products are very moisturizing, and I love that property about them, but the definition doesn't last for me and it doesn't hold up. But this definitely holds up. Moisture A1 on 10, and it's an oldie but a goodie, and I really like it, and I think it's done my hair wonders. The next product I want to mention is actually a gel, but I'm using it as a curl defining cream because I do like twist outs. But last year my wash and go also came out the most fire it has ever come out ever, and it is the Hydra Curlformer, or the Curlformer, Hydra Curlformer. I used this last year, and I have a couple of videos on this product, and this is just amazing. You guys, I mean, I have struggled with wash and goes for years, and this just, after I learned how to use it, it does have a learning curve, I will say that much, but this is extremely defining, extremely defining. Actually, I feel like holding this right now almost makes me want to go do a wash and go because I feel like I can do those now. Like, I can get away with it. I can get away. I don't know why I feel like a wash and go is something I gotta get away with. But I feel like I can get away with it because I have this in my hair arsenal. I have obviously also used this for a twist out, but I still highly recommend this because for both styles it worked really well and is extremely defining. So if you like gels for your twist outs, or if you want something very defining for your wash and goes in general, I just consider this a defining product and is A1, okay? A1. As usual with all the other videos, links will be down below in the D box. Check the D box. I spend a decent amount of time trying to make sure the resources are there for you guys. So definitely go there. It's gonna click show more. It's gonna drop down and you're gonna get all the info that you ever wanted. Some people, I know that you're new to my channel, and so you might ask a simple question that's like, hey, how long have you been natural? But the answers are already there for you, hun. They're already there. You ain't even gotta try real hard. Just click show more and you gonna get everything that you ever wanted. Well, maybe not everything. I mean, I ain't got a husband in the D box, but it'll be a lot of answers to questions you might have. So the next product that I have to mention is the Hydra Curl Defining Cream. V. This stuff ain't going nowhere no time soon. I mean, Hydra ain't going nowhere no time soon. And this is a fresh one. It's a fresh 16-ounce one. I'm super happy to have this because you guys know I usually pair this with a leave-in styler, and that just makes my twist outs pop. I might do an entirely new Hydra Beauty video, like an Hydra wash day, just because the other one is kind of old. I mean, it's still, that video is still popping. Y'all saw how my hair came out in that video. It's still popping, and the products work the same, but I'm getting a lot of questions about the brand from you guys because I do support them so much. So definitely let me know down below in the comment section if that's something that you're interested in. But also I might actually just do an updated wash day routine. I don't think I've done that in a couple years either. Just, I feel like not very much has changed. Tried and true, things stay the same around here, okay? Hair growth still popping, but I don't switch things up that much. So just let me know if that's some content you would be interested in. But this Hydra Curl Defining Cream, highly recommend. I kind of want to use this on its own just to see how things would come out, because I've always used it in combination with the leave-in styler, and you guys know that combo is great for me. It works amazing. My curls come out amazing, but just with the cream on its own, I kind of want to see what happens. Anyway, highly recommend this. You guys know this is also an oldie but goodie. It's kind of weird that I'm saying this is old because I feel like I just discovered the brand like yesterday, but time flies, y'all. Time freaking flies. I can't even believe that it's like April 2020. Like, what is life? And I think by the time this video goes up, the video for this will also be out. Wait, yes, this is the right one. This is the Natural Club, hold on y'all, Natural Club Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. And this is labeled a moisturizer, but I'm adding this in to the curl defining cream section of my favorites videos because this to me is a curl defining cream. It gave my hair stupid, crazy definition, and it lasted all week. Like, it lasted all week. And that's always something that I look for because I only style my hair once a week. I only do my hair once a week, one time, okay? Wash day, one time, and then that's it. I don't really like to re-up, refresh, restyle, retwist. I don't live the re-lifestyle. And if you've been watching my channel for a hot minute, you know this. If you're new here, you just found out, but I need something that's going to last at least 7 days. And if it doesn't do that for me, I typically try not to manipulate my hair as much still, but I just want something that's gonna look good as long as possible. So this, highly recommend. This had my hair popping all week until the next wash day. And like I said, it's a labeled hair moisturizer. And this is one of their latest launches, one of their new launches, but it's making it into my favorites because it gave my hair crazy definition. So if you are interested in this, I just feel like it smoothed out my hair cuticle. I think I say that in the video too. It just smoothed everything out stupid good. And it just felt, I wish there were another word for smooth, but it was like slick, like swoop, swoop, swoop. It was really easy. Anyway, highly recommend this as well as a curl defining cream. Yes, I know, labeled hair moisturizer, but if you're interested, check that out. And that is the last of the curl defining cream. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I always, like I said, go for definition. So if you also go for definition, then highly recommend. Now, if you're a natural that goes for more volume, or if you pick your hair out to the gods, or if you want something that isn't gonna wear your hair down, I may or may not be the YouTuber for you, because I'm always looking for something that's gonna like define my hair like 12 times out of 10, okay? Definition, that's what I'm looking for. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one, which is tomorrow. Is that the last day? Is tomorrow the last day? I think so. So tune in tomorrow to find out what my favorite heat styling hair products are, because I don't know, y'all, something about after straightening my hair kind of just makes me feel like I should enjoy my length a little bit more. I went 4 years with doing like nothing but blowouts. Now I kind of just feel like anyway, we're gonna get into that tomorrow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.